What's up, guys? We're back with another product review. This time we're doing 2018 Optic Contenders. What do we got here? Find 2 autographs, including 1 on card per box on average. From what I understand, there are 5 redemptions in this product. Of course, Mr. Saquon is one of them. But yeah, 6 cards per box. So we're gonna give this a shot. Let's see what we got in here. I don't know, kind of pricey for 1 pack, but I guess so was that Panini one. All right, there we go. Optic. I opened one up earlier, so this is my second one. But let's go ahead and see what we got here. Should be our Prism on the bottom. Mr. Mahomes. That's a gold. Nice. Mahomes gold. 6 of 10. Too bad that one wasn't 7 of 10 and autographed like the other ones. Very nice. That's a good card. For our first base, we got Joey Bosa, Elshon Jeffrey, and then we got Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley, number 2, 199. Alrighty. Oh. Alright, first auto is going to be for the Rams. Ooh, a purple Kelly. John Kelly. That's pretty cool. That one should be numbered 2. That one's numbered to 99. That's kind of like this one I got earlier, which I should have broke again. Sam Darnold, purple. And that one was 9 of 49. So, once again, I don't follow my rules, and we get another big hit. Put him back in his little container. Alright, Darnold. And then our last one is going to be, well, here we go. Look at this. 7 of 49. On card again. Sam Darnold. Huh. Well, those look kind of familiar. Unbelievable. Back-to-back Darnolds. Very nice. 7 of 49. Well, I think this product is okay. I bought 2 boxes, and I have 2 Darnolds. All right, guys. Make sure you like and share. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. 2 hits, plus a Mahomes gold. Pretty good day. All right. Later.